Molweni bazalwane, ndiyabulisa ngegama likaYesu. Igama lam nguHeidi Kuhlane, and I have the privilege of leading the Tsietsi Mashinini Bursary Fund. It is my honor to invite you to an information session evening that will take place on Wednesday, 19 February at 6:30. The session will be live screened on the MCSA page, Facebook page, and we look forward to interacting with you and sharing information about the 2025 bursaries. We look forward to interacting with parents, with students, undergraduate students. We look forward to interacting with Amawisi Lamahle across the connection, potential donors and partners. Please join us. Please bring all your questions and let us know how we can assist you to apply for this bursary that's meant for academically deserving and financially indigent undergraduate students across the connection. You do need to be registered for this bursary either in our universities, in our colleges or TVET institutions, and be doing, as I mentioned, your undergraduate studies. Izange bazalwane, the board looks forward to hosting you and answering your questions, to assisting you, and hopefully to reviewing your applications later in the process.